we are at Parker Living to talk about an important feature, which is power reclining chairs, sofas, or love seats that have USB ports and want to use a battery. If you want to use a lithium-ion battery like these are all floated using a battery. One of the things that's important that you note that's in your button is right here, and we're going to show you. So this button actually has power recline, power headrest, and a home button. But you'll notice over here on the USB that the USB has a button that turns on. You see that light that came on? What happens is if your chair doesn't have, so some of the buttons have it built in, this one's not, that's why we wanted to point it out. This, if you're using a battery and you're leaving this USB on, it's constantly drawing your battery and it's going to draw your battery down. So if you're not using the USB, you want to make sure that this USB is turned off, or your button has what's called tranquil charge, which will automatically turn this off, and it will only use the USB port if it's being charged. So just wanted to bring that. If you're using a battery and you leave this on, this is going to kill your battery. Instead of your battery lasting a month, it's going to just last a couple days or maybe even a day, because it's always being drawn. So this right here is called a USB turn off.